Right now, there's a great opportunity in advanced manufacturing. There's an extreme shortage of skilled advanced manufacturing workers. Metropolitan State University of Denver has created a direct pathway to certify students in skills needed in advanced manufacturing.
What led me to MSU Denver was the manufacturing concentration that they had here and the fact that it was more of a hands-on technology program as well. The companies I could see myself working for would be more of the aerospace companies. I was an HVAC technician and I was taking night classes. I saw the aerospace industry rapidly growing in Colorado.
The industry folks have been very clear that the starting salaries for our graduates will be in the $60,000 to $65,000 a year range.
Most of the things that we do here, especially when we're doing projects, are all hands-on based. We still do the theoretical side of it in class, and we get all that, we understand it, and then we're allowed to take it to the lab here, where we're at right now, and actually apply it and build these parts or 3D print these parts. These two certificates are important because they're not only developed by just professors here at the school, they're developed by industry out in the market, in the workforce right now.
Advanced manufacturing applies innovative technology, processes, and methods to improve products, the quality of production, and our nation's workforce.
Several years ago, I used to work for a sculpture firm, and I was a project manager there, and we did a lot of like 3D printing, CNC routing, and over time I realized I wasn't really an artist, but I still loved like manufacturing and making things, and the engineering technology is a great program for somebody who really wants like hands-on learning. And I also don't know any other school that you have a lathe and a metal 3D printer in the same building, so that's pretty cool. I've already been given an opportunity from the Additive Manufacturing certificate. Through pursuing that, I was given an opportunity to work on an Oak Ridge National Lab research grant because I was pursuing this certificate. I think employers like to see that backup with a piece of paper saying you really know your stuff.
Industry certifications are directly applicable to job skills. They validate what you need to know and are able to do.
At first, I just wanted to come to school. That was the biggest thing, because getting a degree guarantees you a career, which guarantees you stability, something I didn't have growing up. Growing up in homeless shelters, growing up with gang violence, you don't see yourself having a future. You think you'll live by the streets, you're gonna die on the streets. But I mean, the instant I saw the opportunity to change myself and do something different with myself compared to the rest of my family, I took it. MSU Denver right now is probably ahead of every other school when it comes to additive manufacturing. With getting a certificate, you're specialized in something that other people aren't. That makes you stand out, that makes you unique. You can do something that some other people or most people can't do. With these certificates, it's something that's going to continue growing. And if you have the basic knowledge of it now, when it explodes later on in the future, they're going to end up trying to get people like you, especially since you're starting off with the program, you pretty much know it from the ground up.
Certificate credentials can be stacked to build up qualifications and help you move along a new career pathway or up an existing career ladder.
As a veteran, I picked MSU due to the fact that they are very veteran friendly. Their program is excellent. They get you right in. When it comes to getting this composite certificate, it just adds to whatever you have, all your credentials, all your certificates to gain employment, and it just can give you that advantage above others.
Those companies say there is no workforce that's already here and trained in additive manufacturing.
The labs here are really good. Like I said before, all the hands-on stuff that you get, you know, in this lab here, you have all this equipment you can use. Everybody has experience in the field. They know what they're doing. They know what they talk about, and they enjoy what they do. It's an up-and-coming field. It's continuously growing, and there's just an infinite amount of possibilities we're going to be able to use it for in the future.
For more information about MSU Denver's Advanced Manufacturing Certificates, contact the Program Navigator, Sharon Fields Simpson.